Crypto Investing 101, your guide to safe and smart investing. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency and how you can invest safely as a new investor. Cryptocurrency can seem like this big, mysterious thing, and honestly, it kinda is. But it's also an incredible opportunity to grow your wealth, and I'm here to break it down for you in a way that actually makes sense. We're gonna cover everything from choosing the right wallet to managing your risk like a pro. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips and advice. We've got a lot to cover, so let's jump right in. Protect your crypto, the wallet. Lowdown. Alright, let's talk wallets. In the crypto world, your wallet is everything. It's where you store your digital currencies. And just like you wouldn't leave your real wallet just lying around, you need to keep your crypto wallet safe and sound. There are a couple of main types of wallets: software and hardware. Think of software wallets like the digital wallet on your phone, convenient, but potentially a little less secure. These wallets are usually free and can be accessed through your computer or smartphone. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, are like your Fort Knox. They offer the highest level of security because they store your crypto offline on a physical device. They're a bit more of an investment up front, but if you're serious about security, they're the way to go. Now, how do you pick the right wallet? It all comes down to your needs and how much crypto you're holding. If you're just dipping your toes in, a software wallet might be a good starting point. But if you're holding a significant amount, a hardware wallet is the gold standard for security. Remember, this is your money we're talking about, and in the crypto world, security is non-negotiable. Some popular software wallets include Exodus, Electrum, and Mycelium. They're user-friendly and offer a good balance of security and convenience. For hardware wallets, Ledger and Trezor are the industry leaders. They're a bit more technical, but they provide that extra peace of mind. One last thing, always double-check the wallet address before sending any crypto. One wrong character and your funds could be gone forever. No pressure, right? Exchanges, your gateway to the crypto market. Now that you've got your wallet figured out, let's talk about how you actually buy and sell cryptocurrency. That's where exchanges come in. They're like the stock market for crypto, connecting buyers and sellers. Choosing a reputable exchange is crucial. You want a platform with high liquidity, meaning there are plenty of buyers and sellers so you can easily trade your crypto. Look for exchanges with a large user base, positive reviews, and a strong track record of security. Speaking of security, that's priority number one when choosing an exchange. Look for features like two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Don't forget to do your research on the exchange's security measures. Have they been hacked before? How do they handle user funds? These are all important questions to ask. And of course, watch out for scams. If an offer sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of phishing attempts, fake websites, and anyone asking for your private keys. Remember, legitimate exchanges will never ask for your private keys. Some popular and trustworthy exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These platforms offer a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, have a good reputation, and prioritize security. When you're setting up your exchange account, make sure to use a strong password that you don't use for any other accounts. And enable two-factor authentication. It only takes a minute and adds an extra layer of security to your account. Alright, let's talk about the roller coaster that is crypto investing. Crypto is known for its volatility, and it's not for the faint of heart. But with smart risk management, you can navigate the ups and downs and come out ahead. The golden rule of crypto investing is this: never invest more than you can afford to lose. Seriously, I cannot stress this enough. Crypto is a high-risk, high-reward game, and you need to be prepared to lose everything you put in. It's like betting on your favorite sports team. You're rooting for them to win, but you know there's always a chance they could lose. Before you even think about buying your first Bitcoin or Ethereum, sit down and figure out your risk tolerance. How much are you comfortable potentially losing? Once you've got that number in mind, stick to it. Another crucial aspect of risk management is setting investment limits. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and throw money at every exciting new project, but that's a recipe for disaster. Decide how much you're willing to invest in each cryptocurrency and don't go over that limit. One of my favorite tools for managing risk is stop-loss orders. These are like safety nets for your investments. Basically, you set a price at which you're automatically selling your crypto if it drops to that point. This helps you limit your losses, and prevents you from making emotional decisions in the heat of the moment. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't go all in on one crypto or chase after short-term gains. Have a plan, stick to it, and manage your risk like a pro. You know what they say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Well, that's especially true in the world of cryptocurrency. Diversification is key to spreading your risk and increasing your chances of success. Think of it like this: if you invest all your money in one stock and that company goes bankrupt, you lose everything. But if you spread your investments across different stocks, bonds, and other assets, you're less likely to lose everything if one investment goes south. The same principle applies to crypto. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own risks and potential rewards. By diversifying your portfolio across different cryptocurrencies, you're essentially hedging your bets. Now, diversification isn't just about investing in as many different cryptocurrencies as possible. It's about strategically allocating your funds based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. You might consider diversifying across different categories of cryptocurrencies like stablecoins, DeFi tokens, and metaverse projects. Remember, diversification is about finding the right balance between risk and reward for your individual needs. The cryptocurrency market is like a constantly evolving organism. What's hot today might be old news tomorrow, so staying informed is crucial for making smart investment decisions. Make it a habit to stay updated on the latest news, trends, and regulatory changes in the crypto space. There are tons of resources available, from dedicated crypto news websites to social media groups and forums. Find what works best for you and stay in the loop. Follow reputable crypto news sources like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and The Block. These websites provide in-depth coverage of the crypto industry, including market analysis, regulatory updates, and new project launches. Social media is another great way to stay informed. Twitter is like the pulse of the crypto world, with everyone from industry leaders to everyday investors sharing their thoughts and insights. Just be careful of the noise and always double-check your sources. Don't underestimate the power of community. Join online forums and groups dedicated to cryptocurrency. It's a great way to connect with other investors, share knowledge, and get different perspectives on the market. And remember, knowledge is power in the crypto world. The more you know about the technology, the market, and the factors that influence its movements, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also interested in exploring the world of crypto. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a rewarding experience, but it's essential to approach it with caution and a healthy dose of skepticism. Do your research, manage your risk, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Leave a comment below with your own tips or questions about investing in cryptocurrency. See you in the next video.